Hi friends, welcome to Ansel. So today it is the 61st episode in the space series. So today we're going to discuss about another space probe. So this space probe is the space probe known as Akatsuki. Yeah, it is a Japanese space probe which it is like an orbiter around Venus. Yes. So it is also known as the Venus Climate Orbiter. So it is a JAXA space probe tasked with studying the atmosphere of Venus. So it is JAXA, which is the NASA of, the space agency of the country of Japan. So it is a Japanese space probe. Yes, it was launched on 20th May 2010 but failed to enter Venus orbit. So you may think, so it failed, right? But normally you didn't make videos about any orbiter which failed, right? You may ask me that. So it did not fail. So temporarily it failed, not permanently. So after the craft orbited the sun for 5 years. So after the orbiter entering the orbit of the Venus failed, then so first let's take Venus. Wait. So first let's take the sun here. Yes. So next here's the Venus. Next the dot will be our space probe. Suppose this space probe just missed the Venus by a little bit. Yes. So then for 5 years straight it just went orbiting around the sun. So after that 5 years period it finally reached Venus, and then the engineers successfully placed it into Venus's orbit on 7 December 2015. Yes. So yeah, finally they did it. Yes. Now it is fully functional as it is in the orbit. Yeah. So let's rub this diagram. Okay. So the rocket that sent this space probe, the orbiter, was the H2A202. Yes, they have those types of names only. So next the launch site was Tangashima, which is just an island which is to the south of the Japanese mainland. There are many smaller islands, right? One of those islands is Tanegashima. Yes. So next the instruments which are equipped on the Akatsuki spacecraft. So the instruments include a lighting and air glow camera, to take photos. Next, a UV imager. So it was used to study the distribution of the atmospheric gases on the atmosphere, of course, on Venus. What gases were there in the atmosphere, by how much density, how much gases were there, like that. Yes. So the UV imager did those things. Next, the long wave IR camera. It studied the structure of high altitude clouds. So there are high altitude clouds. It just studied the structure of them. If they have a lot of if they produce a lot of lightning, or they just clouds like an Earth. So they produce a lot of lightning. Yeah, they're not Earths. So next, the IR micrometer camera. So it helps to spot active volcanoes in Venus, because there are a lot of volcanoes in the Venus, and we can't normally see it because there's a very large thick cloud layer. Yes, normally we couldn't see it, but if we remove the cloud layer we could see it, but we can't normally do it presently. Yes, in the future we could do. But next there's the IR 2 micrometer camera. Yes, because one is not enough, there's a second one. So this second one studies the night side lower clouds. So yeah, it studies the lower clouds when night time. So simply how they react, what is their behavior in the night time. Yes, compared to the daytime. So next, the ultra stable oscillator. It is used for performing radio occultation experiments. So first we should understand what oscillator means. So first, oscillators are any device that does the process known as oscillating or oscillation. Yes. So again, oscillation is like producing some waves randomly. Yes. So there's a small period of time before each wave is produced. So they use this oscillator for experiments. So next, the scientific observations that Akatsuki did. So these include cloud and surface imaging. Yes. So next, it confirms the presence of lightning and volcanism. Yes, the two main things that when you picture on the surface of Venus, because those are the two main things. Yeah. So next, it investigates the meteorology, like the clouds and all of the weather and the atmosphere. Yeah. So this is for today about the Akatsuki spacecraft. I think I have pronounced this spacecraft name many times wrong because you can understand. So bye.